What's up, Fly Squad? Today I want to talk about my first impressions of the city of Managua, Nicaragua. I normally start off with vibes upon arrival, but before we get to that, I have to discuss some vaccine requirements needed before we can take this trip. Depending on which country you're flying in from, in my case it was Colombia in South America, a yellow fever shot is needed 10 days before you can board your flight to come to Nicaragua. However, upon arriving at the airport, I was welcomed with colorful signs and pleasant smiles. I was also met with a tourist visa fee of $10 that needs to be paid at immigration, but is good for 90 days while traveling within the country.
Okay, so here at the baggage claim in Managua, Nicaragua. About to pick up my bag. Get it going, baby. Now I just gotta try to find some internet because they don't have Wi-Fi, my man told me. So see if I can link up with somebody, get their personal Wi-Fi and catch in driver. So yeah, there's no Wi-Fi in the airport exactly. So come to this place here, Casa del Cafe. And they have Wi-Fi connection that'll let you hook up to once you purchase something.
This cafe also has a good selection of food and drinks to snack on while waiting on your driver to arrive.
So in Managua, Nicaragua, they don't have Uber, so you have to use an app called InDrive. I'll show you guys how to use this. So you just put your destination in and offer a fare here, and they kind of give you a recommended price too. So I'm gonna put the recommended price. Then you have to wait to see who accepts the offer. This app is called InDrive. It's available in most South American countries, but especially here in Nicaragua, where it's one of the only options other than taking a taxi or a bus. Okay, so if they don't accept, you can they'll send you a counter offer, then you have to accept it or not. So I put $2.50. That's what somebody was suggesting. He'll arrive in 6 minutes. So head on outside, get my taxi on out of here. Let's roll. Got plenty of places to change money.
Nicaragua uses the Cordoba, but the US dollar is widely accepted all across the city as an alternate currency.
Muchas gracias. All right, guys, so headed outside, go catch us in driver. ¿Cómo estás? Okay, got my in driver, headed to the hotel. Let's roll. Mucho calor.
While riding in the taxi, I noticed the weather is very hot and humid here, but the city is very clean and has a unique and creative touch on architecture. Also, I found the people to be very kind and helpful when it came to answering my questions about the city.
¿Cuál comida es más mejor aquí? Tinta, Nicaragua, like traditional plato, comida.
Ah, comida.
Sí.
La comida tropical de aquí es el gallo pinto.
Tropical?
Gallo pinto.
Gallo pinto. You gotta eat good.
The tuk-tuks used here caught my attention as well, using a motorcycle to push the cart in the front.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Tienes Airbnb aquí?
¿Hacia dónde se dirige ahí?
Sorry.
I also didn't expect such a high level of security at the Airbnb I was staying, which is near the president's house.
So I'm being told that this is actually the place where the president of Nicaragua stays also. So it's like heavy security to get inside this apartment complex. Totally get checked by the police. Deep out there. Nicaragua. First day.
I was happy to see that the Airbnb that I chose had all the amenities I needed, including air conditioning, a stove, hot water, and was a decent and comfortable sized apartment. In addition to being cool and spacious, it also had a good amount of storage space to store all of my clothes and travel equipment. In addition, it had a good-sized balcony to go out and enjoy some fresh air on a nice sunny day. Overall, I would say I was very pleased with the location, the amenities, and the hospitality provided at this Airbnb here in Nicaragua. And when it comes to convenience, restaurants and supermarkets are only a short walk away. The markets here are very well stocked, having everything from fruits, vegetables, meats, cleaning supplies, and more.
Got some orange juice, some nectar of orange juice.
And all the food sold here is completely organic, as they have banned the use of GMOs in the country of Nicaragua. Still, they have many products that is found within the US, such as soap, lotion, deodorant, among other items.
Area. This is something they have here. Turkey dry. Speed stick. That's what I normally use here. Dishwashing liquid. Some air fresheners here. Not bad.
And the price of many items here are very reasonable as well, thanks to the good conversion rate from the dollar to the Cordoba.
Meat seasoning. This is onion, garlic, oregano, butter, real deal. 71. Seasoned chicken, ground beef, wings.
The meat selection here is pretty standard, having chicken, beef, pork, things like that. Fresh, organic, everyday food with very great quality.
Butter. Fish here. Fish here, filet tilapia. Vegetables here. Do some corn. Try 2 of these. There they go.
All my grocery shopping for now.
Check out. A little bit of liquor too. This is their liquor from here in Nicaragua. So all my grocery shopping for now. ¿Cuántos? Listo.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just coming from grocery shopping. Get a lot of stuff here. Take it to the house, see what we got. So we're back at the house. We're doing a little shopping. This is what we have here. All of this came out to a total of 1,413 Nicaraguan Cordoba. That translates to $38.45.
This right here is about 1 week worth of food, so I'll be back to the store sooner than later.
Okay, now that we're here in Nicaragua, gonna try some local beer. Tonia. Very tasty. Ice cold, just how I like it. Show you guys the menu here. We got this here. Filet a la plancha. See how it is, shall we? Here, eating some traditional Nicaraguan cuisine. Yeah, gallo pinto, filet de plancha, plátanos fritos, ensalada, doña. Muy bueno. Okay, let's see how it is, shall we? First time trying some Nicaraguan cuisine. Let's go in. Very flavorful. Very nice seasoning on this chicken breast. Gallo pinto. Masterful blend. Seasoning. Cat hungry over here. He wants some. You know, my boy. You good? You want a little bit? It's for the cat. I'm generous. You're a cool cat. All right with me. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ok, esto. ¿Cuánto sé? 20? Thank you very much. Mucho gusto. This is all me right here. Platanos. Right, platanos. Crunchy. Very delicious. Very good meal, as you can see. End result. Finish it off with the Tonia. Sir.
I hope you guys enjoyed my first impressions of the city of Managua, Nicaragua. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe.
Beautiful day here in Nicaragua. Beautiful day, beautiful mountains, beautiful country. Managua.